Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So here I am on my little blogger website, and I see that in late June they announced that the new blogger interface will become the default for all users, and the legacy interface, this that you see right now, will still be available but as an option. So I haven't tried the new interface yet, so let's try this together. So let's click here, try the new blogger. Okay, let's continue. Oh, so it is similar like the previous one, but you will see the featured image of posts, and you will see the category of the posts in a nicer way. Also the publish date will be here. And what are these? Revert to draft, apply labels, delete, and view. Not bad. And if we click here, we will be able to edit the post, and I see that they changed also the edit screen, so you will have much more control over what you wish to do with the text that you write. The title tag is here, labels, so we can change here, permalink, published, location, search description, options, commenting options. Okay, so the thing was still the same on this side. Revert to draft, view, update, and HTML view. And these were added, so these, I don't remember these to be here, or at least this many of them. So the editing controls got improved as far as I see. So yeah, the new blogger interface seems to be really cool. And let's see also here stats. Oh, they also improved the stats here. It's really nice. So let's switch also to another blog that has more traffic. And I see that if I switch here on one blog, it will switch on all blogs that I own. Okay, so let's go to stats, all-time views, today, yesterday, this month, last month, 2 followers, 500 posts, comments, last 7 days, last 12 months. Oh, so they did not track the traffic, or this is only on the latest post, I assume. Yeah, this is on the latest post, which was published this here. Okay, so this is the views, which I get daily, it seems, by their stats, which also includes bots probably, so it is in reality lower than this because they track also bots. Here are the posts that I have here on this blog, the pages. Okay, so let's see the comments interface. Here are the comments. I can delete comments here. It's pretty nice. Okay, earnings. The earnings is disabled on this blog. Okay, so pages, this should be the same. Yeah, this is the same as before. Layout, this is also the same as before. Theme, we can customize our current theme. Settings, oh, the settings also changed a bit because I don't remember that adult content could be set here. So now you can set that your blog contains adult content. Okay. Favicon, privacy, visible to search engines, blog address, custom domain, redirect domain, HTTPS, redirect, permissions, posts. Really nice. I really like the update that Blogger made. Comment location. Okay, so yeah, I am really satisfied with the stuff that Blogger implemented in its background. So as you can see, the blog is this on its front end, so I really like how it looks. And also now it has a cooler interface, a cooler back end interface, which seems that it is easier to use. So if we click on a post, we can easily edit things here and change categories, tags, and we have many options here to insert video, special characters, line break table, align, input tools. What are these? Input tools. Oh, you can change you can add very cool, you can add a keyboard, a virtual keyboard for a specific language. Nice. Okay, so yeah, I will end this video now. Thank you for staying until the end. So this is the new Blogger's interface. Go check it out, and yeah, from late June this will be the default, so you will probably see this in the near future. So okay, this is all for this video. Thank you for watching until the end, and as always, please subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed it, and have a great day. Bye bye.